punctual. Yes, Mayank, what is your query? Unmute yourself.
मैम वीडियो डिसेबल।
हाँ बेटा, अभी दिखेगा नहीं आपको फॉर्म क्योंकि मैंने लॉक कर रखा है। अटेंडेंस के बाद मैं स्विच ऑन करूंगी रिस्पॉन्सेस, तब आपको फॉर्म दिखाई देगा। आप अभी सही
मैम
पेज पर। Yes, Tina, very good morning. So I think most of the students are here and ready for the exam. Let's quickly take your attendance. 9th A, Ajay Singh, absent. Aniket, absent. Anshul, absent. Anushka, present. Chinmay, present. Divyansh Maghnani, absent. Drishti, present. Gauri, present. Gunjan, present. Harsh Pratap, absent. Hina, present. Kia, present. Jay, absent. Jaya, present. Keshav, absent. Kiran, present. Lisha, absent. Meet, absent. Ovis, absent. Nandini, present. Neeraj, absent. Neha, present. Nikhil, present. Parth, absent. Payal Basahu, absent. Riya, present. Rupaksh, absent. Sachin, absent. Sahil, absent. Sakshi, Sakshi Rawat, present. Vansh, present. Vishal, absent. Yuvraj, absent. Akshat, present. Harsh, absent. Krishnam, present. Mayank, present. Naveen, absent. Rashi, present. Riyan, present. Is there anybody in section A that I have missed? Raise your hand. Section B, Abhishek, absent. Aditya, present. Akshita Seni, present. Anant, present. Ankit, present. Anshu, absent. Anukriti, present. Aryan, present. Divyansh Saini, present. Drashti, present. Drashti Jain, present. Harshal, present. Himani, present. Hitesh, present. Ishant, present. Jatin, absent. Karan, absent. Krish, present. Ruchi, present. Mahi, present. Furkan, absent. Shiraz, present. Navya, absent. Nidhi, present. Nitesh, present. Parag, present. Payal Bansal, present. Piyush Chandwani, present. Piyush Yadav, absent. Pooja, present. Priyansh, absent. Sakshi Tulsani, present. Sanjay, present. Suhani, absent. Tanishq, absent. Yash Kumawat, present. Yes Soni, absent. Yuvraj, absent. Pranjal, present. Is there anybody in section B that I've missed? So, Yes, what is the question? How much time will we get to clear the paper? You will have 20 questions in 30 minutes. So you will probably get a little more than 1 minute per question. So, are we ready? Good luck. Read the question very carefully. There are only two answers, right and wrong. Click the right answer. Write your name, class, section properly because you will not be able to submit it again. क्रोम से जो एंटर कर रहे हैं उन्हीं को रिस्पॉन्स सबमिट का ऑप्शन मिलेगा. ब्राउजर से जो गए हैं उनको सबमिट का ऑप्शन नहीं मिलता है. सो एंटर थ्रू क्रोम. रेडी? बेस्ट ऑफ लक. So now I'm opening the responses. So now the question paper will be appearing in front of you. Clearly read the questions and then respond. There is no hurry. There's plenty of time. Question paper is for half an hour, but I will get it remain open for 45 minutes. So you will have 2 minutes per question. There's enough of time. The simple questions are there. 2 minutes per question. Read it carefully and give me the responses. Open your video so that I can see you all. Quickly open your videos. Everybody, open your videos. I can see Rashi, Ankit, Hina, Nitesh, Riyan, Akshat, Hitesh, open your videos quickly. Yes, now I can see you. Jaya, Krishnam, Ishant, Gauri, and Sakshi. Yes, Pooja, Adan, Anushka, Pranjal, open your videos quickly. I want to see you all. Quickly open your videos. Read the questions very carefully. Ishant, I'm still not able to see you. Anushka, Jaya, Gauri, Gunjan, Aryan, everybody open your videos quickly. Piyush, Mayank, Shiraz, open your videos. There is no hurry. You have plenty of time. For 45 minutes, the question would be open. So read it. Chinmay, Gunjan, Ruchi, are still not opening your video. Piyush, Neha, Shiraz, open your videos. Pranjal Shiraz, open your videos. Do not hurry. Somebody has started submitting. Here I have received your form. Stop talking, Pooja. Focus on your own paper. Akshat, I have received your response. Switch on your video so that I can see you. Question is available, beta. Quickly click the link. I'm again sending the link to everyone. Click the link through Google Chrome. You will see the question paper. You have plenty of time. Still you have half hour to solve the questions. They are simple 20 questions. This is the last time I'm requesting you to open your videos. It's a simple request. Why can't we open our videos? I need to see what you're doing. Yes, I've received a couple of more responses. Rian, I've received your format. Yash Kumawat, Mayank Singh Gehlot, and Gunjan. Yes, Mayank. Unmute yourself.
मैम मेरी वीडियो ही डिसेबल कर रखी है होस्ट ने।
कोई बात नहीं, मेरे को आपका फॉर्म मिल गया है। जो बच्चे कर रहे हैं मैं उनसे कह रही थी वीडियो ऑन करने के लिए। थैंक यू मयंक। Stay in the class those who have submitted. I have requested everybody to start a video. Rian, unmute yourself.
मैम जिनका हो गया वो क्या करें अब?
Take out your copy and complete your work. I have received, Piyush Chandwani, I have received your format. Sit quietly in the class, Rian. Unmute yourself, Piyush.
मैम मैंने जो 9th वाला आंसर है ना,
अभी आंसर मत डिस्कस करो. Let everybody else finish.
नो मैम मैंने सही लिखा था मैम, उसने गलत कर दिया मैम।
Okay, I'll see. Nitesh, I've received your format. And Anand Sharma, I've received your. Pooja Yadav, I've received. And Nidhi, I've received your submissions. Those who have completed will sit quietly in the class and read your complete your work. Very good, Rian. Nice numbers. We have still time. We have still 25 minutes. So don't be impatient. Once you submit the form, you will not be able to make any corrections. So read it quietly. Some forms I still have received. They are Sanjay, I've received your responses. Hitesh, I've got your response. Divyan Saini, I've also received your responses. Rashi, I've received your response. Sixteen students have submitted their forms. Yes, Krishna, बताओ.
यस मैम हमने सबमिट कर दिया है मैम.
Yes, but I have received your paper. Very nice, thank you.
थैंक यू मैम.
Ankit, I've received your responses. Hitesh will discuss question once everybody is completed. In between the test, I would not be able to explain. Others are still doing their test. Has anybody attended the class late? Has anybody joined late? Raise your hand if you still not started your test. We still have 20 minutes. We had 48 students and 5 students have left. They're still not doing. Pranjal, I've received your responses. And Aryan, Sakshi, and Mahi, I've received your responses. Yes, Pranjal, unmute yourself.
मैम मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का आंसर लिखा था और इसने गायब कर दिया।
ऐसे कैसे गायब करेगा बेटा?
मैम मैंने तो किया था, मेरे को आंसर पता है, मैं आपको चैट बॉक्स में लिख के बता देता हूँ, उसमें आंसर
Don't worry, this is just a practice test. So we know that there is some problem. If there is sudden internet connectivity problem at your end, then the response must have been gone.
मैम तो केवल एक क्वेश्चन ही क्यों होगा?
मुझे नहीं पता बेटा क्या किया आपने अपने फॉर्मेट में. So this is the kind of problem we have when we have an online test. So you have to be very careful. Yes, I understand, Piyush, that you have a problem with one question. After the test is complete, or then only we can discuss the questions. I have received Anushka Dhingra's your response, Chinmay, Drashti, and Ishant. Yes, Piyush, I understand. We'll discuss the question once the test is over. So far I've received 25, and we have only students are leaving the class, but I don't understand why. If you have completed the test, still you have to be in the class. Do your pending work, do the exercise. Nobody has completed chapter 6. Sit here and complete your chapter 6. Anukriti Sharma, Jaya Kodwani, Hina, and Neha. I received your responses. Very good, Ishant. Congratulations. This is one of the highest marks. That's okay, Anushka. This was just a practice test. Relax. Yes, Harshal, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I have submitted the paper and ma'am, my work is complete. So ma'am, what I do?
Sit with me, talk with me. Harshal, yes, I've received. Nandini, I've received your response. Sit with me for a couple of minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, we have 15 more minutes before I close the response. Please check your answers. That's okay, Hina. This is just a practice test. Relax. This is not the end of the world. So in the exams, you will get the questions exactly like this. Nandini, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I have
Nandini,
submitted the
yes.
paper.
Yes, Nandini, I have received your response.
Thank you.
Thank you. So similar pattern, Neha, good numbers. Similar pattern you will get in the final in that PT1 exam. Exactly similar type of questions, only 2 response, only 20 questions, and you will get around 2 minutes to solve one question. So this is what we are planning. Parag, I have received your response. Gauri, I have received your response. No, there is no negative marking, Shiraz. Relax. There is just the right answer and a wrong answer. So there is no negative response. Please don't be worried about it. I still have time and I've only received 33 responses, which is very bad. Out of 42, I have received only 33. Everybody has switched off their videos. Why? Shiraz, I have received your response. Imani, I have received your response. Has anybody joined late? Chinmay, do you have a doubt? You've raised your hand or by mistake it has been there? Aditya Kumar, I have received your response. That's okay. Ria, I have received your response. Akshita Saini, I have received. Only last 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will close the responses. Now we all know that what kind of pattern we have in the exam. Similar questions would be there. Piyush Yadav, when have you joined? Piyush Yadav is not in the class. Who had submitted his form? Raise your hand, Piyush. See, I will not give Piyush Yadav's number because he is not in the class. Piyush Chandwani, you have submitted. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am, I have submitted.
No, but पीयूष यादव के नाम से सबमिट क्यों करा आपने?
No, ma'am, मैंने तो मेरे नाम से सबमिट किया है.
I've just received a response from Piyush Yadav.
No, ma'am, मैंने तो मेरे नाम से सबमिट किया है, मैम.
Market demand equals to market supply. Yes, Piyush Chandwani, I have, and submit. Yes, your name is there. Yes, Hitesh, unmute yourself.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Good morning, Hitesh. बोलिए.
मैम वो पीयूष है तो मैम कभी कभी क्लास में नहीं आता, लेकिन वो ग्रुप में है ना, तो उसको वो सब लिंक विंक मिल जाते हैं, तो मैम वो उधर से चालू कर देता है.
So good. Acha, he's updating himself, but could you please request him to come to the class?
ओके मैम.
Thank you. So since you had information from WhatsApp group, so they had done it from their home without entering into the class. All the numbers here now, I will be showing it in the next class. Riya Sharma, yes, I've received your response. Gauri, you have submitted. Yes, Gauri, I've submitted. I've received your response. Let me just quickly read all the names. I have 40 responses so far. Hiya, Akshat, Riyan, Yash Kumawat, Mayank Singh Gehlot, Kunjan, Piyush Chandwani, Nitesh, Anand, Pooja, Nidhi, Sanjay Kumar, Hitesh, Divyansh, Rashi, Krishnam, Ankit, Pranjal. Yes, Piyush, unmute yourself. What is your query?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम अभी आप डिस्कस तो करोगे मैम?
In the next class.
मैम मेरा 9th वाला मैम सही है मैम, इसने गलत कर दिया मैम.
Please don't speak the answers right now. Please try and understand this is just a practice test. कोई अपने आप से तो गलत कर नहीं सकता. See, I cannot come to your house and correct and wrong your answer or delete your answer. It is only possible at your end. So this was just a practice test. So now we know how the responses. Beta, I cannot come. Discorrect your questions. You Ruchi, you got 15 points. Yes, Shiraz, unmute yourself. Yes,
मैम
yes, beta.
मैम पीयूष यादव से मैंने बात करी थी तो मैम वो
जी।
बोल रहा है कि है ना उसके पास खुद का डिवाइस नहीं है, वो किसी और के डिवाइस से टेस्ट दे रहा है। मैं वो मीटिंग में अभी नहीं आ सकता बोल रहा है।
No, that is okay that he has performed. I'm very glad, but for further classes, because he has been very irregular for some time. So just a request that not for today, I'm saying for other classes also, he should come and join the classes.
ओके मैम।
And I'm glad that the people who are not attending, so probably Karan and Yuvraj and other students should also be updating themselves. No, it's not bad at all, Ruchi. But this is just an exercise to brief you all that what kind of questions would be there and what kind of problems we can face. Drashti, I've received your response. Okay, so last couple of minutes, 2-3 minutes more, and then I will close the responses. I'm still, see, we started a class with total of 48 students. I received only 41. Some of the students have left. I don't understand why. And I need 7 more responses in just 2-3 minutes. Kindly submit your responses before I close the window. Quickly, everybody, submit your responses because I'm about to close. I'm glad, Piyush Yadav, you could submit the test. So I'm marking you present today. If possible, join the classes on regularly. Piyush Yadav, I'm marking you present. So out of 49 responses, I just have 41 response. That is okay, Piyush. Just your work should be completed and things should be clear. Yes, I will tell you, if you want, I will show you the spreadsheet in the next class. I think the time is up. I think the time is up. So I'm closing the response. Is anybody here to submit again? Kindly raise your hand. Is there anybody in the class? Who has still not submitted? Yes, please be quick. Please be quick. Please be quick. Is there